to stop Microsoft Teams from showing away. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and click your profile picture in the top right corner. Select your current status and choose Available. However, there's an important point. Teams automatically changes your status to away when your computer becomes idle, sleeps, or is locked. To prevent this from happening too quickly, open your computer's power and sleep settings. Then select Screen Sleep and Hibernate timeouts and increase the amount of time before your display or computer goes to sleep. One thing to remember, Teams does not provide a permanent duration for the available status. Microsoft specifically says status duration can be set for other statuses, but not available. That's it. Now you know how to reduce automatic away status in Microsoft Teams. If this tutorial helped, like this video and subscribe for more Microsoft Teams tips and productivity tutorials.